Hi everyone, welcome to Johnson's Corner. Today I'd like to talk about a problem I have with my Milwaukee string trimmer and a fix I have come up with. For some reason, one of the strings will break off and the bump mechanism stops working. There are two ways to restring your trimmer, and I will show you both. And always remember to remove the battery before working on your trimmer. Here you see one side is broken off and no more line is being fed. The top can be removed by pressing the two side tabs in. As you can see, there is plenty of line, but it is all jammed up. I have to cut the line to get it out. The first way to restring it is the manufacturer's recommended way. Line your marks up and take your length of string and slide it right through, and try to make both sides equal lengths. Then, holding the bottom, just twist the top piece in a clockwise rotation and it will rewind the string. While this is easy to do, it seems that this is what also causes the problem. It makes the wrap too tight. My second method is to wrap the string by hand. This method will test your patience, as it can be pretty frustrating. But it has eliminated the problem of the string being jammed. I know it doesn't look it, but actually wrapping the string is the easy part. Now comes the part that'll set your hair on fire. If you're someone with very little patience, I would highly recommend you don't attempt this. It's at this point you'll probably start talking to yourself, like I did. Fortunately, I could edit all that out. You might start thinking right around now, why didn't I just buy a Ryobi? As aggravating as it is, it does eliminate that problem. Well, thanks for watching, everyone. See you next time.